Hi, my name is Harshadan Chaturvedi and I am a legal intern at Lexis and Company. So today we are going to talk about foreign state cannot claim sovereign immunity. Importantly, the court also held the prior consent of central government is not necessary under section 86 subsection 3 of the Code of Criminal Procedure to enforce an arbitral award against a foreign state. A foreign state cannot claim sovereign immunity against enforcement of arbitral award arising out of commercial transaction. The Delhi High Court ruled KLA Consent Technologies versus Embassy of Islamic Republic of Afghanistan. In contract arising of commercial transaction, a sovereign state cannot seek sovereign immunity for the purpose of stalling execution of an arbitral award rendered against it. Justice J.R. Midha held. Once a sovereign state opts to wear the hat of a commercial entity, it would be bound by the rules of the commercial legal ecosystem and cannot be permitted to seek any immunity, which is otherwise available to only when it is acting in its sovereign capacity, the judgment said. Importantly, the court also held that prior consent of central government is not necessary under section 86 subsection 3 of the CPC to enforce an arbitral award against a foreign state. Section 86 of the Code of Civil Procedure is of limited applicability and the protection thereunder would not apply to cases of implied waiver. An arbitration agreement is a commercial between a party and a sovereign state. Is an implied waiver by the foreign state so as to preclude it from raising a defense against an enforcement action premised upon the principle of sovereign immunity, the court said. The court was hearing two pleas, one by KLA Constant Technologies seeking enforcement of an arbitral award dated November 6, 2018 against Afghanistan and another by Matrix Global seeking enforcement of an arbitral award dated 25th October 2015 against Ministry of Education of Ethiopia. The petitions contended that there is no requirement under law for obtaining the consent of the central government under section 86 subsection 3 of the CPC for implantation of an arbitral award against a foreign state. An arbitral award passed in an international commercial arbitration held in India, as in the present case, would be constructed as a domestic award under the Arbitration and Conciliation Act and would be enforced under Section 36 of the Arbitration and Conciliation Act. It was submitted. Reliance was placed on Bharat Aluminium Company versus Kesar Aluminium Technical Services. The requirement of prior consent for execution of an otherwise final and binding arbitral award against the judgment debtor evidently cannot be sought to be imported into a reformed and modernized legislation such as Arbitration and Conciliation Act, it was contended. In sovereign immunity, it was submitted that a foreign state does not have sovereign immunity against an arbitral award arising out of commercial transaction. Further, entering into an arbitration agreement constitutes waiver of sovereign immunity. The agreement by the respondent to arbitrate the dispute would operate as a waiver of the said requirement when a foreign state enters into an arbitration agreement with an Indian entity. This is an implicit waiver of the sovereign immunity otherwise available to such foreign states. Against the enforcement of an arbitral, it was submitted. They also submitted a slew of judgments in support of their arguments. The court, after examination the relevant judges and legal provisions including Section 35 and Section 36 of Arbitration and Conciliation Act and Section 86 of the CPC, ruled that arbitration being a consensual and binding mechanism of dispute settlement It cannot be contended by a foreign state that its consent must be sought once again at the stage of enforcement of an arbitral award against it. Thank you.